I am the way, no other way. No one comes to the Father but me.
Check. Broken, everything is broken. Suits on pigs and rags on the Hoboken. No sleep, they blotted out the stars. Poison in our air just to fuel our damn cars. Can't speak, boots on our necks. Freedom was a lie, power left unchecked. Wake up, the king is coming. What will you do in judgment day is calling? Glory to his name, we all sinners, we all the same. How can anybody point fingers and blame? We all out here, deserving a flame. But his blood came to proclaim that Jesus and God are one and the same. Fist clenched, I fall to my knees, praying to God he make all of them bleed. All the blasphemers, fake redeemers, and those deceivers. But I take peace, cause at the end of our lives, he's the one judging who lives and who dies. No more lies, no more cries, only open eyes that realize the skies hold more truth than their lives. That's why I strive to be wise and comply to the Lord above, who at the end of time will arise. Amen.